Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to send SMS campaigns using Klaviyo. Let's jump right in. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the left-hand menu and click on the Campaigns tab. Then click on Create Campaign. In the campaign setup, give your campaign a clear and memorable name. You can also add a short description to explain its purpose. Next, choose SMS as your campaign type, then click Continue to move forward. Now it's time to choose your audience. Click on Select a list or segment and pick the group of contacts you want to send your message to. This ensures your SMS is targeted and relevant to the right people. After selecting your audience, it's time to write your message. Type your SMS content carefully, keeping it short, clear, and engaging. Remember, SMS has a character limit, so every word matters. Once you're happy with your message, click Next. Next, choose when to send your SMS. Click on Schedule or Send and select the date and time you want your campaign to go out. Make sure to set the correct time zone so your message reaches people at the right moment. Finally, click Schedule Campaign to confirm and launch your SMS campaign. And that's it. Your message is now scheduled, and your audience will receive it exactly as planned. SMS campaigns in Klaviyo are a powerful way to reach your customers quickly, keep them engaged, and boost your sales. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on Klaviyo and e-commerce marketing. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help. See you in the next video.